So today we'll be showing you guys how to replace the locking hook button on your Apollo Go. For this repair, all you need is a 2.5mm Allen key, a 3mm Allen key, and you should be good to go. So first things first, we are going to remove the screws that are holding the fender in place. We'll remove the 4 screws on the side. Alright, now with all the screws off, we'll remove the fender, put it to the side, and now we'll have an easier time accessing the 4 screws that hold the taillight in place. So we'll start by removing the top 2 screws first. We'll use a 2.5mm Allen key to do this. So now with a 3mm Allen key, we will remove the 2 screws that hold the button. And just like that, give it a little bit of a push, and it should just come right off, just like that. So now to reinstall the button, it's pretty much just working backwards from everything that you just did. So it should pop in just like this. Make sure the button is pushing correctly. And now we simply just put back our screws. Alright, and now we'll put back our taillight cover. When putting back the taillight cover, make sure to be careful of the wire. You don't want to pinch it. Okay, next we'll put back our fender. Now we'll put the 4 screws back on the brackets. There you go. And that is how you replace the hook lock button on your Apollo Go.